Imagine waking up without that nagging joint stiffness or the constant tiredness dragging you down, feeling like your body has turned back the clock. If hand and foot pain, tingling, or weakness keeps you from enjoying your day, especially if you're dealing with high blood sugar or circulation issues, this could be a game changer worth hearing about. Hey friends, welcome to Health Morph, where we share trustworthy, science-supported ways to support your health naturally. Today, we're exploring a simple kitchen remedy using everyday spices that may help improve circulation, ease nerve-related discomfort, reduce joint aches, and boost overall energy. Drawing from studies on these ingredients' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, you'll get the full recipe, how to use it, and complementary habits for better results, all in clear, practical steps. Many people over 40 notice gradual changes, joints that feel tight in the morning, hands or feet with tingling or burning sensations, persistent fatigue, or even occasional dizziness and foggy memory. These often stem from reduced blood flow, nerve irritation, or inflammation, sometimes linked to factors like elevated blood sugar, high blood pressure, excess cholesterol buildup, or oxidative stress damaging nerves and vessels over time. Diabetic neuropathy, for example, involves nerve damage from prolonged high glucose levels, leading to pain, numbness, or weakness in extremities. High blood pressure strains vessels while plaque from lipids restrict flow. Chronic inflammation adds fuel, worsening discomfort in muscles and joints. The good news? Certain plant compounds support better circulation, moderate inflammation, and protect nerves without harsh side effects when used thoughtfully. One approachable option is a warm spiced infusion made with cinnamon, black cardamom, and cloves, common in many kitchens. Research highlights their potential. Cinnamon's cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols show promise in helping regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing oxidative stress, which may ease nerve damage in diabetic models. Some reviews note benefits for peripheral neuropathy symptoms through antioxidant actions that combat free radicals harming nerves. Black cardamom brings potassium and magnesium, supporting healthy blood pressure and heart rhythm, key for good circulation. Animal studies suggest it can lower mean arterial pressure and influence autonomic balance positively. Cloves, rich in eugenol, offers strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Eugenol inhibits pathways like prostaglandins that drive pain and swelling, with lab and animal work showing it may improve nerve function in diabetic neuropathy by reducing oxidative stress and enhancing blood flow to nerves. Together, these spices create a synergistic blend. Antioxidants protect cells, anti-inflammatory effects calm irritation, and circulation support delivers nutrients better to tissues. While not a cure or dramatic reversal, consistent use in studies correlates with modest improvements in glucose control, lipid profiles, inflammation markers, and nerve comfort, especially alongside lifestyle tweaks. Myths versus facts. Myth: this drink doubles your age or erases pain overnight. Fact: results build gradually, often weeks, and benefits are supportive, not miraculous. Myth: spices replace medications. Fact: they complement but never substitute professional care for conditions like diabetes. Myth: all spice teas work the same. Fact: preparation and quality matter for extracting compounds. Real-world application. Making this infusion is straightforward and fits any routine. Start with a stainless steel pot. Avoids reacting with spices. Add 1 glass, about 250 to 275 milliliters of water, and bring to a boil. Once bubbling, drop in a small piece of cinnamon stick, about 1 inch, 1 large black cardamom pod, lightly crushed, and 2 cloves, crushed slightly. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes to release flavors and active compounds, then turn off the heat. Cool to a comfortable warm temperature. Avoid boiling hot to preserve benefits. For taste, add a tiny piece of jaggery or a teaspoon of honey if you like sweetness, but skip if managing blood sugar. Plain works fine. Drink 1 glass nightly about 30 minutes after dinner for 14 to 21 days to notice shifts like easier movement or steadier energy. Many report subtler changes first: less morning stiffness, better sleep from reduced discomfort. To amplify effects, chew half a teaspoon of fennel 15 minutes after drinking. Fennel aids digestion, relaxes gut muscles, and may enhance absorption of the spice's compounds by improving motility. Studies support its carminative role in reducing bloating and supporting nutrient uptake. Bonus daily additions for nerve and joint support. Flaxseeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons ground daily, high in ALA omega-3s, which convert to anti-inflammatory forms. Evidence links them to reduced joint pain and inflammation in arthritis, plus nerve protection via antioxidants. Stir into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons soaked, packed with omega-3s, fiber, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. They help combat fatigue, support nerve relaxation, and boost immunity. Soak overnight for pudding or add to water. Combine with habits science backs. Walk 20 to 30 minutes daily to boost circulation. Manage stress with deep breathing. Reduces nerve-aggravating tension. Stay hydrated. Limit processed sugars and fats that worsen inflammation. For diabetes or blood pressure concerns, monitor levels regularly. Who should proceed carefully? Those with allergies to spices, on blood thinners, cloves may interact, pregnant individuals, or anyone with gallstones. Check with a doctor first. Start small to test tolerance. Red flags needing medical attention: sudden severe pain, numbness spreading, non-healing sores, vision changes, or uncontrolled blood sugar. Seek prompt evaluation. FAQ section. What spices are in this remedy and their main benefits? Cinnamon may help regulate blood sugar and reduce oxidative stress. Black cardamom supports blood pressure and circulation. Cloves provide eugenol for anti-inflammatory and pain relief effects. Can this help with diabetic nerve pain? Some studies suggest cinnamon and eugenol from cloves may ease neuropathy symptoms by protecting nerves and improving flow, but it's supportive, not a cure. Is this safe for everyone? Generally, yes, in food amounts, but consult a doctor if diabetic, on blood thinners, pregnant, or with conditions. Spices can interact. How long until I notice changes? Many report subtle improvements in 2 to 3 weeks with consistency. Pair with diet and movement for best support. When should I see a doctor instead? For sudden severe symptoms, numbness spreading, non-healing wounds, or unmanaged blood sugar, professional evaluation first. If this simple spiced drink sparks hope for feeling more vibrant, like the video, subscribe to Health Morph for more natural, evidence-based wellness ideas, and hit notifications. Share with someone dealing with similar aches. They'll thank you. Comment below. What's your biggest daily challenge? Joint stiffness, low energy, or tingling? Or have you tried spice teas before? Your stories build our community. Let's inspire each other. Disclaimer: for education only. Spices support health but don't replace medical care. Consult your doctor before trying new remedies. Results may vary.